How are you guys doing? This is Kali Therapy. My name is Gus. Today I'm gonna show you how to write 3 Korean words. When you improve your handwriting or calligraphy, guideline practice sheet is very important. Like when you practice a cursive handwriting, English cursive handwriting, you should use practice sheet look like this. This line is 63 degree. In Korean calligraphy, it's the same. Maybe more trickier because Korean, we have this upper letter and lower letter, and also we gotta make it balanced right. It's a little bit difficult if you are doing only alphabet-based languages, but if you do Chinese or Japanese, maybe you'll get familiar with that. When you write Korean, we have Wongoji, which looks like this. So in a square, in a square, you write a Korean letter, and so it's gonna look like that. And also, if you don't have Wongoji, you don't have to buy a Wongoji. If you have 5x5 notepad, then make it square. So from here to here is a square, so you write a letter inside of this square. So today I'm going to write 3 letters and how to write 3 letters in Korean. I have 우주인, which is astronaut, 창문, window, and sofa is a sofa or couch. Because in Korean we don't have a word for sofa or couch, so we say sofa. Instead of so, we say sofa. Okay, so like I said, it's a 5x5 notepad. So I drew a line, a square, so you get the better idea, right? So I'm gonna write it again without drawing squares. Look how like iung or u placed, so this is what I'm talking about. To improve your handwriting, you gotta see the location, how certain words placed where, right? So here, iung placed exactly in the middle, like that, and also u placed a little bit lower than the middle line. This is u, and I'm gonna write chu. And also look at jiud here, jiud, and in the middle, like that, jiud. Yeah. And also I'm gonna write u exactly like u, chu, right? I'm gonna write in means person. So square, oh, I'm sorry. Oh, square. It should be like that, but I'm gonna do it square, and square like that. All right. So I'm gonna write in. Yeah, so writing Korean is a little bit difficult because other videos I show you how to write individual vowels and consonant, but consonant and vowels changes depends on the word or letter. You know what I mean? Like in. So this u, iung placed in the middle here, but when you look at in iung, there's a little bit, a left side. So this is why you should use a guideline practice sheet, and if you don't have the guideline practice sheet, use 5x5 practice sheet. All right, I'm gonna next letter is 창문. 창문 is a window. So like here, this is a square line, and then this is a square line. Okay, so chiud here, look how all the consonant vowels placed. So like that, and I'm gonna write ah. Yeah, some of my subscribers ask me the direction is important or not important. I would say it's important because every language, it has a certain way to write and a certain way to write first and second and third, because it looks natural, because it's easier to write. So I would say it's important. So when you write ah, this line first and then this is second. And chang, iung is like exactly like English o. So chang, moon, look at the moon. Mium plays in the middle here, in the middle, right? In the middle of the night, in the middle. And when you look at u, so it plays right below, under the midline. And then unlike chu or u, you don't write the vertical line longer. It's a little bit short here because you have to write neon here, neon, like that. I don't like the how neon looks. But I wrote 창문, 창문. This is 우주인, astronaut, 창문, window. Last one is sofa, sofa, couch. So look at shield here, in the middle, in the middle. Okay, there's two ways to write shield. Shield, I write like that, or well, I mean, I write both. Some people like that, some people like that. Doesn't matter. Sho, pa, pa. Look at pa. Yeah, so always look carefully and closely where the every consonant and vowel placed. All right, so I wrote 3 letters: 우주인, 창문, sofa. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe.